How to factory reset my tablet. What if I forget my password? If you're confused, watch this video to find the answer. I'll also show you what to do if the FRP lock appears after resetting your tablet. Be sure to watch until the end. If your locked Android tablet is unusable and you want to perform a factory reset without entering a password, DroidKit can help. It offers a one-stop solution for removing any type of screen lock, including PIN, pattern, facial recognition, or fingerprint. The factory reset is performed simultaneously with the screen unlock process. Here's how to reset a locked Android tablet with DroidKit. Step 1. Get DroidKit installed. When you launch it, choose Screen Unlocker. Step 2. Connect locked Android tablet and hit Start. Step 3. It will prepare configuration for your tab automatically. After that, click Remove Now. Step 4. Then, DroidKit will detect your tab brand as below. Follow the on-screen instructions to remove the password. Step 5. When the removal process is finished, your tablet will be reset and you can get into it as normal. You can also factory reset your Android tablet on your computer without using the volume button. Find My Device provides a way to control your device remotely. This method can also be implemented when you are not able to unlock your device or if it is lost. Step 1. Open your computer and visit the web of Android Device Manager. Sign into your Google account that is linked to your Android device. Step 2. Choose Erase on the control interface to make a factory reset on your device. If you are stuck on the Google verification screen after factory resetting your tablet, don't worry. You can also use DroidKit to bypass the FR lock. Step 1. Select FRP bypass mode. Step 2. Connect your tablet to the computer and press the Start button. Step 3. Choose your tablet's brand. Then, the configuration file will be prepared for your tablet. Later, tap on Start to bypass to continue. Step 4. Select your tablet's Android system version. Here we choose the tablet series. Then, hit the Next button. Step 5. Set up your tablet according to the on-screen instructions. Step 6. After completing the steps above, the device will be restarted and the FRP lock is also removed successfully. That's all. You can choose the method you like to reset your tablet. For those who cannot unlock their Android tablet with a password, DroidKit is the best choice. If you find this video useful, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time.